Howdy and welcome to my channel. Today, this is December the 1st. It's about 60 degrees outside. So, it's raining. So, today this is the time of year I always start my pepper plants. Pepper seeds, it is. So, I'm going to show you how I start my seeds. Simple way and cheapest way. So, let's get started. Okay. Now, reposition the camera. Right here is milk cartons. These are what I usually put my pepper seeds in. Use half gallon for small quantities that I have, or bigger ones. Ones that sell a lot better, I use a larger milk jug. These things are thin, so they're about the same as what a seed tray would be. Same thickness, but these are free, so they last a lot. You can reuse them a lot more than you can seed trays. So I always put the tag on it and the name on it, what kind of pepper it is. I usually plant about more than 1,000 seeds a year. And here's one right here I have. Here's how I just pack the soil in like this. And then I put a name on it and put the seeds in there and put a little thin cover of shaggy peat moss over the top of it for the cover. And let them grow out like that, germinate. So it's a lot cheaper to use these than it is to buy seed trays. They're so thin, they usually don't last very long. The corners will crack on seed trays, and they'll split and start leaking water out. So you can't use them very long. One season, maybe sometimes two, if you really take care of them. But these things last for years. But I usually throw them away and use because I always have plenty of them. So from drinking orange juice or milk or whatever. So. Now I'm gonna show you now over here my seeds, how I got them started on the shelf. Okay, this is how I start my seeds out after I put them in the milk cartons and all. You can see here there's over 33 varieties here growing on this 4-foot heat mat. This is the way I start. There's probably I turn these shop lights on just to show the lights so you can see them under here growing. But I use the shop lights just when I start them out, when they first come up the growing. Those shop lights right there are regular T12 shop lights, but they have 6,500 kelvins, which is better. You need the stronger kelvins to grow plants with. Helps the growth of them. So right here is what they look like, and I just started all these the other day. I wasn't going to show a video doing all this; it'd take forever. So I just use whatever cartons I can get. All these are milk cartons right here. So be a few weeks before they really get started and showing up. But I'll have a whole series of all the videos, a series of videos showing how I do all my seeds, how I grow my pepper plants. There's probably over 1,000 here at least. Some of them have fewer quantities in the smaller cartons, but there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them here though. So I guess that's it for this video. I'll have another update in a couple more weeks when these things start sprouting, or short or longer, depending on how long they take. So there's 21 super hots here, and 6 habaneros, and 4 jalapenos, and 2 different cayennes, so, and a Hungarian yellow wax. That's all the peppers I got planted. So 33 varieties. I'll have a series coming up soon as these things start sprouting. Well, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.